Join me as I meal prep my overnight oats for my husband and I for the week. So I line up all my containers and then I add half a cup of rolled oats to each one. Then I add about half a scoop of a plant-based protein. I really love Truvani's vanilla protein. Then for some extra fiber and protein and omegas, I add about a tablespoon of chia seeds. Next up, I do half a cup of frozen blueberries for some fruit. Blueberries are great for blood sugar control because they're a low glycemic fruit and full of antioxidants. For some more flavor and more boost of healthy fats and protein, I add about a tablespoon of peanut butter. Then I like to sprinkle some cinnamon. It tastes so good, and there's also some research to show that it helps with post-meal blood sugar levels. For liquid, I usually do half a cup of soy milk and half a cup of water. Soy milk is a great source of protein. However, I had just run out, so I did a full cup of water. Then I put all the tops on and shake them up really well. Then what you do is just place them in the refrigerator and let them sit overnight. That sitting, the soaking, will allow the oats to quote unquote cook themselves. The next day, you can just grab your container. You can put it into a microwavable safe container if you're using plastic. This one is glass, and pop it into the microwave for a few minutes, and there you go. Enjoy.